Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain what to invest for beginners. Starting your investment journey begins with understanding your personal financial goals and how much risk you are comfortable taking. A great first step is to diversify your investments across different types of assets. Many beginners find success with low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, which offer broad market exposure and simplicity. Let's explore some popular investment choices. Stocks can offer significant growth potential, though they come with higher risk. Bonds, on the other hand, typically provide more stability and consistent income. Real estate is another option, offering long-term value appreciation and potential rental earnings. For broad market exposure and professional oversight, consider mutual funds or exchange-traded funds. Building a robust investment portfolio involves strategic asset allocation. You should distribute your investments based on your age, financial goals, and personal risk tolerance. It is wise to rebalance your portfolio regularly, perhaps once or twice a year, to keep it aligned with your initial strategy. Aim for a long-term perspective, allowing your investments to benefit from the power of compounding over many years. Here are some essential tips for your investment journey. Consistency is key. Investing regularly, even small sums, can lead to substantial growth over time. Always avoid making emotional decisions. Instead, adhere to your well-thought-out investment plan. Be sure to understand and minimize any fees, as they can significantly impact your overall returns. Finally, keep learning and stay informed about the markets.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.